If you're involved in a car accident and the vehicle who caused the accident was either found to be defective or a defective part in the vehicle caused the accident, you have the option to bring in a products liability case against the manufacturer of the vehicle or the part that became defective. Some instances of automobile defect cases that we see are when seats buckle. If you are hit from behind and the seat you are sitting in collapses as a result of the impact from the accident, that is an example of a defective seat or a manufacturer's defective process in installing that seat. Most products liability cases involve serious injury in order to support the claims that are being brought because they are very involved and involve a number of experts.